Hello students. In this class of equation of line in coordinate geometry, we will learn about the slope of a line. What is slope of a line? Well, slope of a line means the steepness of a line, how steep a line is, and the mathematical measure to find this is by finding out the slope of the line, which we will do now. Let's have a look at what is slope of a line and how to measure the slope of a line. In order to learn the slope of a line, we first have to know about inclination of a line. Let's look at these diagrams. Here is a line AB, and the line AB makes an angle of theta with the positive direction of x-axis. This angle that the line makes with the positive direction of x-axis is known as the inclination of a line. Look at another example of a line I have taken here. In this case, remember that theta was acute. Theta was acute. In this case, as I have drawn the line AB, this is the angle which the line makes with the positive direction of x-axis. And look at this. This angle theta is now obtuse. So, inclination of a line means this particular thing. Now, let's learn the definition of the slope of a line. Here is a line. I have taken any point on the line. This point can be anywhere on the line. And I have dropped a perpendicular on the x-axis. Then slope of a line denotes the ratio of the vertical rise of the point to the horizontal distance. Okay, this point P, as I have dropped the perpendicular, meets here on the x-axis. This is known as the vertical rise, and this distance is known as the horizontal distance. This ratio, this by this, is known as the slope of the line. So here we define the slope of the line, or slope is also known as the gradient of a line. Slope M is equal to ratio of AP and AB, AP by AB. And if you look at this triangle, AP by AB is nothing but tan theta. So we can say slope of the line M is equal to tan theta. If the inclination of the line theta is known to us, then we can find out the slope directly by this method. For example, if theta is equal to 45 degree, then m equal to tan 45 is equal to 1. If theta is equal to 60 degree, then m is equal to tan 60 is equal to root 3. So we have already learned that if the inclination theta of the line is known, then we can very easily find the slope of line. There are many other methods of finding the slope of the line, and one of the major methods is that when we know 2 points on the line, how to find out the slope of a line. Let's have a look at this method. Suppose there is a line on which 2 points P and Q's coordinates are known to us. P is x1, y1 and Q is x2, y2. Then slope of the line is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. That is difference of y coordinate divided by difference of x coordinate taken in the same order. We can take an example like find the slope of a line joining the points A 4, negative 3 and B 6, 2. So we write the slope of the line as MAB. Look how is it written. Instead of writing slope of line AB, I have written M suffix AB, which will be read as MAB. MAB is equal to 2 minus of minus 3 divided by 6 minus 4. So 2 plus 3, 5 divided by 6 minus 4, 2. Slope of line AB is 5 by 2. Let us look at 2 more methods of finding the slope of a line. Here is method 3. If 2 lines are parallel, then they have equal slopes. Have a look at this diagram here. I have drawn 2 parallel lines here, and the inclination of this line is theta. Naturally, inclination of this angle also will be theta, since the corresponding angles are equal if the lines are parallel. So if we say M1 is the slope of this line, then M1 is equal to tan theta. And slope of this line is also M2, which is equal to tan theta. If theta is same for both the lines, then M1 is equal to M2. So if 2 lines are parallel, then they have equal slopes. If I know the slope of this line, the slope of the other line will be same as this. Just like that, if you have two lines which are perpendicular to each other, then product of the slopes is equal to -1. If m1 is the slope of one line and m2 is the slope of the other line, then their product m1 m2 is equal to -1. So if you know the slope of one line, you can find out what is the slope of the other line by substituting in this equation. So these are the different simple methods of slope finding.